Crystal Shields Museum of Art, and just see in 1800 Brooklyn. Everything happens, slowly and steadily. Here also progress has taken place steadily. Okay? Just see. And gradually the community was shaped. Here we have a glass trunk containing many glass objects. And this is what the people of United States think about their flag and what it means to them. Some of it is displayed here along with the artist's name. We'll be just showing you some of the displays so my students can get an idea. All different flags and this beautiful, look at this on a rug. And this, okay, God bless.